need to see, like, you care about this character. Because I can't tell. I can't tell if you're an actor, if you're a dog.
You were this feather duster. What would you be doing right now?
Never in my career have I worked with such a child. You're like, no, you're worse than a child. You're like a puppy.
Now imagine if you had opposable thumbs. I know this is hard. I need to see that inner puppy.
Can you hear me? Because I'm trying to direct you and it's like you're deaf. Or do you understand English? Do you hear it inside? It's on the inside. Come up here.
I think we're there. I think we have a show.